Hey, are you an online store owner who's looking to get predictable sales but feeling a little stuck? Like this guy? Well, then you want to watch this webinar. We have an upcoming webinar that will show you how to get predictable sales and go from being stuck to unstuck, getting consistent sales with your store. If you're an online store owner who would like to get more consistent sales, click somewhere on this video. It will take you to a landing page where you can enter your details, and on the day of the training, it will be free. I will teach you our two-step strategy that will help our clients generate sales from 0 to 4 figures, 4 figures to 5 figures and beyond. So if you are an online store owner who's struggling to get predictable and consistent sales, click somewhere in this video, and I look forward to seeing you at the webinar. I've been Glinda from Mr. Marketing. Click somewhere in this video and I see you on the webinar so you can go from being stuck like this to unstuck with plenty of sales consistently. See you at the webinar. Click somewhere in this video. Let's go!